Emily, one of the most common criticisms of family court is that it's confusing and intimidating for people without lawyers. How would you ensure unrepresented parties are treated fairly?
That is a huge problem, making sure that people who are unrepresented are treated fairly, especially in situations where the other side might have an attorney, and so there really seems to be an imbalance in the knowledge and awareness of what needs to happen in a courtroom. And so I think just being sensitive, as a judge, I would be sensitive to the needs of the people in front of me and really listen to what they have to say. I mean, maybe attorneys can say things in a clearer way sometimes, but if you're really listening, even someone showing up to court who's nervous, who is fumbling over their words, isn't really sure about the procedure or how to act, if you're listening and you're paying attention, then you can hear what needs to be heard from those people and make sure that the decisions that you're making as a judge are the right decisions for those people. And for sure, as a judge, I think it is a duty to give everybody fairness in your courtroom, whether they have an attorney or not.
Is this a problem for our family courts? Because I understand close to 65% of the litigants that come to our family court are unrepresented, and that seems to slow down the system, I would imagine, not having someone in that courtroom advocating that doesn't understand how courts work and how the legal system works. Is this a problem?
I don't know. I mean, it could be a problem if you have a judge that's not listening or paying attention to the needs of people if they don't have an attorney. I mean, we have some wonderful judges in Clark County, and we have some new rules that are made to make it easier for people without attorneys. And I think by and large, our family court in Clark County does pay attention to people who don't have attorneys to make sure that they get a fair result and that they're heard. And certainly as a judge, I would make sure that was a high priority to me for all of the people appearing without attorneys in my courtroom.